Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Isidentifier. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Isidentifier is a part of modified strings in Python. The Isidentifier method returns true if the string is a valid identifier, otherwise false. A string is considered a valid identifier if it only contains alphanumeric letters and numbers or underscores. A valid identifier cannot start with a number or contain any spaces. For syntax, you can see in my screen. String.isIdentifier. With round brackets. You know that there is no parameter value in Isidentifier. Now, I will give you an example for Isidentifier in my screen. Therefore, let us see my screen. txt equals plus x equals txt dot is identifier. Print x. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.